How to share your account on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your account on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click here, this one, to go to the settings, and now click on your profile here and then click this one and then just click share. And as you see now, you can share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or Facebook, or you can share it on anything else like Discord or something else. And that's how share your account on Spotify. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.